Hi, I'm Linda Hutchinson. Today I'm going to show you how to make a durable pencil case without using cloth or sewing. I took a cardboard box from something that I ate and I cut it up and taped it together to form a box with a flap. I measured it to ensure that it would fit pencils, which it will, so it will be functional. Now I'm going to go ahead and take some more tape, just rip off a strip. You can measure it out if you want to, but I just kind of eyeball it. I'm going to cut off a piece. You can do this in any kind of color configuration that you want. You can do it all one solid color. You can some of the printed tapes that they have available these days in all kinds of patterns. I just opted to do this on this particular one, but it's all up to you, what you find and what you prefer. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this around. Now, one good thing about this tape is when you're working with it, if it doesn't line up exactly the way you want to, you can just go ahead and pull it back and place it down again. It's very, very sturdy. You can really stretch it, get those air bubbles out. And once you get it where you want it, just press everything down securely and it stays in place very well. Now I'm going to go ahead, take another piece of the purple, do the same thing. You can rip it. It actually does rip, but it looks neater when you cut it. Sometimes when you rip it, the edges get frayed. You can really see that taking shape. I'm just going to go ahead and finish up the flap. And this is pretty durable stuff. You can toss this in the book bag and it should stay pretty well. Now you can always embellish this by cutting out a design out of the tape as well, whatever you prefer. I'm not going to do that, but that's always an option. Can be as creative as you want to be. I'm folding it down to give a nice finished edge. And there you go. You have a pencil case with no cloth, no sewing. Very sturdy. My name is Linda Hutchinson, and thank you so much for joining me. Bye-bye.